Jase.
You want to see it? You want to see it? No, let me see. I see the you didn't use butter here.
There'll be some oil here.
Oil is here, but it is making the onion sing. It is singing. And now you're going to have to be rendering the onions. Salute Chef Pierre. That's my boy. That's my boy.
Chef Pierre is one of the friends and family of the show. Yeah. Learned so much from chefs over the years.
A lot.
I mean, as I did, based on your involvement in food TV locally,
yes.
And across the region, chefs like Chef Sharaz and so on, they come and they share their knowledge.
And everywhere their own flavor, more or less.
And everybody have their own different ways and flavor profiles and that sort of thing. This is some simple onions. And I have some peppers. That will go in here. And I just really am creating a little base of flavor with my vegetables.
Right.
I have some carrots. And let me now start to speak properly. When people want to know what is
going on.
So, continuing celebrating Grace. And Grace Mackerel, as I said, when you see the product, don't shy away. Mackerel is something that can bring lots of flavor to dishes. So I'm actually going to do simple vegetable rice that you would probably just whip up and do, a nice vegetable rice. I am going to be using some Grace coconut milk. And I'm going to be using the mackerel, but I don't want, this isn't in tomato sauce. This is the one in tomato sauce.
Right.
I'm feeling
The hot sauce.
I feel it.
This one,
spicy one.
Hot sauce. The hot sauce.
In hot tomato sauce.
I know that one.
So I just want a little.
Yeah.
You want a zing?
I want a zing, right?
Yeah.
I want
Spike.
a zing. So these are the two products I'm going to be using.
All right.
So I'm going to be doing a coconut vegetable mackerel rice. Very, very simple, very nice. I like to season flavors. I've learned that from my chef friends over the years.
Right.
So, a little salt and pepper at this stage. You get your vegetables rendering.
Right.
Yeah, chef.
I want more. Let me see people on this.
Once the vegetables start doing its thing, I'm just going to allow it to soften up a little.
Right.
I'm going to show you. I'm going to flavor up this rice. So this is
That's the one. This is it. That one.
This is the one I'm using. So, like in the first recipe, I kind of discarded the oil.
Yeah.
This one you're keeping it.
I'm keeping it.
That has the fire.
So I am going. So first of all, I remember. I don't know how hot it is.
Taste test?
Because no. This fella here.
Oh, that's it.
I don't know how hot it is because I have never tried it.
Right.
Okay.
Chef, you have them fellas that just throw pepper in your mouth like
No.
Chef don't want to do.
Yeah.
So let's just rest him here, right?
Yes,
We'll just rest him here and he will relax there for a little
How
bit.
many inside of it? Is just one alone in each can?
The last time I checked was one.
Right.
I don't know if different cans have different amounts.
Let's find out, shall we?
But I want, see this lovely tomato sauce.
Rich tomato sauce. Wow.
Good gravy.
Yeah. So I want to get as much in there as possible because this is going to form part of the liquid to cook my rice with the coconut milk. It's going to flavor it up nicely. Yeah. So just want to add some garlic now, guys. I don't chop garlic. If you know the show,
You support. You promised me.
I promise
2
you.
seasons ago.
Good sauce.
Yes. 2 seasons ago. You promised me one impress.
I'm going to look fit for you.
Turn your back.
I want to make sure you put away the garlic first from Jase.
Look at that now, man. You have one of those?
Yeah.
You have one, Chef?
Them fellas just chop up garlic fast, Them fellas don't need, them fellas training around this.
I want one of them impressive.
It's impressive.
It's impressive. It's impressive. Yes.
The press is impressive. Once you add the garlic, last, Chef, as you know, you want, in case I smell that garlic, you don't want the garlic to burn.
Right.
What I am going to do now is try to get out extraction.
Man. Grace, don't chinks it up.
No.
Look at this. Look how much mackerel is back in there.
4 or 5 mackerel.
8 mackerel in a can.
Some big fellas.
Wow.
So remember when I told you with the last recipe with the eggs?
Yes.
I kind of.
You bone this one?
because this bone nice and chewable.
Yeah.
Yeah, throw him in.
I go in straight in there.
Bang.
I go in
It's a
straight
nice,
in there.
crispy bone. Eh?
Yeah. That bone. When that bone cook up there, and that,
You go whole flavor as well. Eh?
and it will hold some flavor as well, chef. It will hold some flavor as well. So yeah, all I'm doing here is
Put
getting.
Put all.
See why chef is my virgin? See why chef is my virgin?
100 years.
Is that
100 years. Cheers.
We're not jinxing.
Cheers.
We're not jinxing. We're not jinxing.
Cheers.
We're not jinxing.
Put all.
Put all. And break him up in there. And get them all nice and incorporated with your vegetables. Oh my goodness. You
That
start to
smells
smell.
good.
Yeah,
Smells
yeah, already flavor already, man.
Yeah.
That's if you're a lover of seafood.
Yeah.
Do try greased mackerel in the can, guys. It really has some. It's easy, simple. You can create some simple dishes for the family at home. Nice big bold flavors. And if you're a seafood lover, greased mackerel.
Flip.
No. No, that kind of shit. Talk to him, chef.
I'm seeing that.
Talk to him, chef. Talk to him.
No, you can't flip that
Why so, chef? Why so?
one. Coconut.
Coconut milk.
Alright.
Greased coconut milk. Rich, thick, and coconutty.
Coconut. Duh, Joel. Duh.
You see the Imperial Grace out?
You see?
Coconut tea.
Coconut milk.
So I want a nice full cup.
Nice.
So throw it down, Joel. Right, nice full cup. I have my tomato business happening here.
Yes.
And I'm ready to bring my rice in. So,
All right, that's good.
a cup of rice
Uh-huh.
goes straight in my mixture here.
Like a pilau.
So it's basically like
I'm sorry. I'm a curfew.
only just Jase,
I'm
you know.
sorry, I'm
It's
sorry.
Only just Jase, you know.
Sorry, not
I
sorry.
come up with my
Lovely.
Right.
coconut vegetable
Mackerel
rice, and he just puts
Yeah.
a mackerel pillar. How?
You bypass all the creative
All my creative.
and you go to the next level.
Bring it home.
Bring it home.
Bring it home. So this phase is kind of very important.
Yeah.
I think getting the rice kind of nice and toasty, allowing it to cook. The raw rice I'm talking about here, allowing it to cook with the vegetables, and it's a lot of flavor imparting in the rice at this stage.
Nice.
So you leave this for, I would say, a couple of minutes. Play with it a little bit. Allow it to sear and do its thing.
Right.
And then we're going to add some liquid to it. Grease products, we want to take this opportunity to congratulate the entire Grease team.
Yeah.
As I said, 100 years in the business. That shows.
That speaks volumes.
That shows longevity. That speaks volumes. That's fantastic. So we really, as I said, on behalf of our team here at Copper Show.
Salute, Grace.
Salute Grace. They've been a partner on the show. We've worked with so many different brands, so many different products along the brand line. It's really amazing, and they have such a wide array of products that you can work with. Guys, to leave this for a couple minutes, huh?
All right.
But I need to get more coconut milk in here. So I'm using the Grace coconut milk, a cup, and it's going in there.
That's the sound we like to hear, chef.
That's the sound of the man working on the tree. So that there is some goodness. I want a cup of water.
Okay.
Just to add. So when I'm doing my rice dishes like this, I tend to double. So based on a cup of rice, I would do about, let's say, 2.5 to 3 cups of water, right? Or liquid in this case. So you're counting your coconut as liquid, and you just allow this now to do its thing. Oh my goodness! I like a little all-purpose seasoning, probably as you add in layers. Seasoning layers.
Yes, chef.
Yeah.
Layers of flavor.
No, to be honest, this does need much more because you see this, the flavor that comes out of this can. Right. It has its own salt content. You don't need to add too much salt.
I think when you open the can itself, you get
it pops. So guys, this will take 12 to 15 minutes to 17 minutes just to absorb the liquid. When it's starting to absorb, you cover down, let the rice bloom and fluff the rice nicely. We don't have time because I had one kind of kusumi in here for you guys already.
Good enough.
I had one here kusumi in for you guys. See what I'm talking about?
We finished there, boy.
Yeah.
Nice one.
See that?
Feel I'm looking nice.
So,
Sorry.
I like the look against them. I like the look at him. All my creativity. Here you go. Allow me to plate up
Man.
my mackerel pilau.
No, say it properly. We're doing a mackerel.
So it's a coconut flavored mackerel vegetable rice.
There we go.
Yeah.
Nice.
And this, as I said, this year. No, I mean we localized it in Sharaz.
Of course.
Serious.
It's like a pilau, you know. You know, a pilau is a one pot. This is actually a kind of one pot rice. Because you have your protein in here with your mackerel.
Yes.
Of course, the rice. And it's so wonderfully flavored. No, so this is so what I'm doing. I'm doing it.
And what you doing?
Trust me on this one.
Oh, you gonna bring it to I see. It's 100 years up here.
Nice one.
What I want to do.
Oh, the bad boy, you put him on top.
So I'm putting one top, but you know what you can also do with this? You can also put that bad boy back in here.
Yes.
Oh, wait,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Look, it's 100. Wait, man. Oh, good. All right, wait, man. You risk it.
All
Relax.
right.
Gentlemen, I want a spoon for you and a spoon for you. Chef,
Bring a little away there, boy.
I bring it. Yes.
You got the good stuff.
Yes.
You go ahead, chef. You go first. When you're done, I'll just take the whole bowl there.
So Grace, coconut milk, Grace mackerel. I use the one in hot tomato sauce because I wanted a little kick in my rice. Lots of a little spike. Lots of lovely vegetables. There's some onions, some carrots. You could actually use. I use some peppers. You can use some booty.
You already pepper.
I don't know how hot that is.
Yeah, look, you see how you falling by yourself. Chef, what you say? I'm waiting for your description first, then I'll dive in.
Yep.
It's good to go.
Not spicy.
It's not too spicy.
Just good enough for the flavor, to add to the flavor.
Right. Which is how I like it.
Yeah.
Which is how I like it.
And when you open that can of mackerel, you get this woof from the and everything come together.
The spice hits the back of the throat.
Good man.
You get it? But it's not a dread. It's not a dread heat.
No.
You know, something it hits and you're like, oh, no. It's a good one.
Mackerel flavor.
Loaded.
Yeah.
Loaded. And I like that the rice, together with the mackerel, is not too dry. You might have a dry cook up.
Yeah.
There's a bit of moisture.
So finding that balance is so important. A dry
Very
pilau and a wet pilau.
To come now, man.
between.
Don't call it a pilau now, man. It's the last segment. I'll call it pilau by kicks and Chef give me a little eye, a cookie eye.
People don't understand a comparative closest.
No. Mackerel, what is mackerel?
Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Coconut flavored rice. Let's go with that.
Let's go with that.
But
to get the texture.
Texture.
The
The right amount of moisture.
right amount of moisture. We cover it down, allow the rice to come together. And the mackerel almost get a nice little crispiness.
Yes.
And it's
You
ready.
see, the seafood, the coconut milk is important, and the coconut milk mesh with the seafood, which is the mackerel and the tomato sauce flavor together. So again,
I love it.
Grace products blend together, give it the
And you know, it gives it a kind of Jamaican finish, you know.
It does. And I'm not going to tell you. Just probably if you wanted that little extra kick, you could have used the jerk seasoning. When you say you're doing the vegetables, you could have just thrown a little spoonful of this to give it that little extra
zing.
If the hot, as you say, I think there's a little kick in it. If the hot tomato sauce is not hot enough for you and you like it burning, you could use some Grace juice.
The pepper now, man.
You like trying again?